Why do I need God? Why does a human being need God? Because the human being, else he commits mistakes. He has desires and ambitions. He realizes his own weakness. So in utter frustration, when he looks around, he finds that all others are also mortals like me. The cry goes out from his soul, may there be a perfect being who may have love for me and may come to my aid. Otherwise, if God is unresponsive, if God is an impersonal force, let him be there. Why do I need him? Why should I pray to him? Why should we build the mosques? Why should we come at all for prayers if God is not prepared to help us? So the very foundation of religion is the need to obtain divine help. The very foundation of religious life